This is the balance of the humble potato we're doing. Adding some butter.
Fold it in, so you know.
We're folding it. No eggs.
So this already have enough starch tonight.
So we mash the potato, and what we're doing is we're going to shape them and put some filling in it. We're improvising because we don't have all the tools. Because this was just an afterthought. We weren't planning on doing this until we say, look, we're going to try something else.
You can do all for that. They're going to chill and one chicken and this pork and the vegetarian.
This is vegetarian, right?
Yeah. See? So if you have the blowtorch now, put the oil or the butter on the blowtorch.
Ah.
Right here. Deconstruct the shepherd's pie. So you put the filling inside and you're going to give it up the peas, tomato sauce, and whatever you want to put. See?
So you just crunch it like
yeah, and if
like
not
if you had a blowtorch, it would just crisp it.
yeah, just to get the brown color. But now the brown color, leave it like this, and then next way is after you make like this, put it in the fridge, let it sit, get the egg wash, like I did for the chicken, put in the same thing here, and then you fry it, deep fry it.
Oh, you could fry it.
And just
you
keep it
come out,
deep
you call
fried.
it down now, stuffed potato croquette.
Ah,
So you change the name now. It become a, because when you fry it, it becomes a croquette.
right.
Only it's
Oh.
stuffed now. And when it's stuffed now, you can put inside the cheese, anything you want. And then when you finish, you just cut it.
Okay.
That's a good idea.
Humble potato salad.